In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over the Ghosthorn Sling backpack. I'll kind of like start here at the back and just kind of work my way around to the front. So looking at the back, you've got pliers holders right here. They've got Velcro. And what I like is they have these series of little molly straps that go down through there. So see how I have my pliers locked on right there? So they have that. They have some accessory pockets here. And what I have in here, oh yeah, they do include a phone, kind of like a waterproof phone mount thing. I don't use that mostly. I would if I was like around a lot of water where I'm going to be walking around. I put cords and a power bank in here. So I have a little thin power bank, the pearlescent power bank. I have that down in here. And then these are waterproof zippers. Oh yeah, so the material on this is like, it's not 100% waterproof. It's kind of like splash proof. So if you're out here just kind of like kicking around the lake like I am, you just might get a little bit of rain or maybe some water splashing up on it. It works perfect for that. I've got a water bottle. I've run the Camelback water bottle in the side. It is an adjustable pocket there. It has drainage down here in the bottom, and it's got some accessory loops there. So if you do have like a thermos or maybe a Nalgene bottle or something like that, you can lock onto there. You can see I put a couple of carabiners right here. Going around the top, it does have the Ghosthorn logo. I like that logo. That looks kind of cool. It's kind of bright right there. The material on this feels kind of like a synthetic type rubberized leather. It's got a different feel than my like Cordura type backpack that I had in the past. This one feels different. I kind of like the feel on this. And looking over the side, there is a fishing rod holder. So you see I've got the Ghosthorn like spinning reel right here on the line. And I really like this rod a lot because it's a 7-foot spinning reel, but it also collapses down. I'll go ahead and take that off. Check out how easily and compact that is. This basically, everybody, this is a great backpack sling for anybody that just wants to grab something quick. It's kind of like my new little grab and go setup. So looking at here, you got a little bottom section here where you could slide stuff if you want to. Over here on the side, some more attachments right here. There is a back. You can put some stuff down in here, but I didn't run anything down in there, so I didn't think I needed it. A mesh pocket here, a zipper mesh pocket right here. Very nice on that. Let me show you what I got in the outside pockets. Now, this outside pocket's your front sling, so this is what's going to be in the front. There's a little, like what I run up here is some small lures. So this is like my small kind of like spinning bait and things like that. I run a cell phone in here. This is perfect for your fishing license. See how you can get your fishing license? So if it's around my chest and I need to pull out my license, there's my fishing license right there. And this is all waterproof pockets right here. Outside pocket. This little outside pocket's on Velcro, and I run some multi-pliers. I have my pliers in the front, in the back of it, but I want to grab these real quick. They have cutters on them, and some sunscreen. This side over here is a waterproof zipper on the side, so check this out. You can fit 2 complete 3600 boxes in here, and I have the Ghosthorn 3600. These are the waterproof boxes. You can check it out. They will float. So if you drop these in the lake, they're not going to sink on you. They won't get water in them because they're airtight. These have a seal around them. So this backpack will hold 2 of those very easy. You've got some additional pockets down in there. And this thing is easy. I walked into like a small fishing a little fishing area. You can walk in a trail pretty easy. It's very kind of small and compact, so I don't have to worry about it. I like how it goes around the front right there, around the front of my chest, and how it connects. Easy to take on and off. So yeah, this is one of the better little packs that I have. And like I said, this has become my new little kind of grab and go type backpack. Yeah, that's it, everybody. That's all I got today on the Ghosthorn backpack sling. See you all in the next video.